Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Jluxlabel try on haul. They were having a Afterpay sale. They're finally offering Afterpay at Jluxlabel, and I think it was like 25% off if you use Afterpay. So baby, you know I went ahead and I jumped up on it. It's been a minute since I've done a Jluxlabel haul or whatever, but each and every time I buy anything from Jluxlabel, I'm like always here for it. No, this video is not sponsored. I spent my own coins, okay, on these pieces, and I would do it each and every time again, because like I said, Jluxlabel is really that place. Okay, they have really great quality clothes that are a little bit more on the expensive side. I'm not gonna lie about that, sis. So you gotta really decide what you want, okay? But I think that it's so freaking worth it. They have some really nice, cute, basic pieces that you can dress up or down in. Like I said, the quality is just always there for me. So yes. Now Jluxlabel, if you watching, go ahead and give my supporters a discount code, okay? And you know, you can hit me up in the DMs or email, whatever you prefer, and we can work together, okay? Remember my Forever 21 video when I was talking about Afterpay? Yes, I use Afterpay, okay, period. It was no cap in that video, like, I use it. So yes, if you're interested and if it's available, all the links will be listed in the description box below, as well as my sizes. If you are new here, hey girl, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like my vibe, my personality, or whatever, make sure you click the subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. It will notify you each and every time I upload a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iDESIGN8 so you can catch some of my fashion posts as well as live updates over there. And girl, if you are a returning Design Squad member, hey girl, welcome back. Okay, good to see you. We're gonna get into the video, okay? I'm not gonna keep you waiting. So yes, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So I got 10 items and I spent $688.39. And like I said, that was after Afterpay. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start off with this little banger that I had on in the intro. Like, this is super sexy, okay? One, I normally don't go for items like this, but at first I was like, but this is absolutely like sexy. It is this rib material, very stretchy dress, and then it has like the drawstring going all the way, you know, down here, and it kind of like overlaps on your body. You can scrunch this area up, or you can make it a little bit longer depending on your style. But baby, let's talk about a vacation piece here. You step out on the girls with this here, this is gonna have people turning heads. It's the color for me, it's the style for me. It's just really doing the body right. Okay, so I love this. This is how the back looks. It does have like this little zipper here in the back, so that's how you get into the dress. You have the arms out, you know, it's covering the chest, so it's giving you that sexy conservative look, okay? Throw some heels on with a nice little bag, super cute, sexy. I'm so here for this. All right, y'all, so here's the next look. Jluxlabel. Y'all know when I like something, I gotta say the company's name. Okay, Jluxlabel. Okay, y'all. Here's the look. Here's the look. Okay, so it is very boss woman status. Like, when I tell you, when you walk up into work with something like this on, obviously you're gonna have a little blouse on. But if you walk into work with something like this on, you walk into an event with something like this on, or wherever you're going where this is appropriate, like, it screams boss status. It screams, I demand attention right now. Okay, like when I tell you put this on, oh, it's a look, baby. I think they have like 2 or 3 other colors, and wow, like I wish that I would have gotten this in more colors. I think this was like $80 or so, I'm not sure, but this is super gorgeous. You put your necklaces on, you got a nice little bag. Like, it is honestly a whole look. I love this color, especially for spring. It comes with this little belt across the blazer, and it's Velcro, which I really love because I can just fasten and go, sis, okay? I do not have to worry about, you know, tucking and putting it in any holes or anything like that. It's like bam, bam. Super cute and convenient and easy or whatever, and it really snatches you in. It has 2 little buttons down here, so it's very deep and open right here. And with the pants, it's kind of like the same way. It has like this little Velcro here, which I really like. It does have a fasten as well as a zipper right here. So this is bomb, okay? I love this set. The only thing I'm so upset about is that this set is really big on me. With the pants, like, they're so long. The top up here, like, it's just so big right in here, where it's like really dragging around. I gotta figure out how to make my little picture work, okay? I just have like this little mint crocodile bag here, and it just goes so perfectly with this. I am so in love. Oh my God, I am so freaking in love with this outfit. All right, you guys, so here's the next set. And baby, when I tell you I am living, okay, I am literally living for this set. I wore this the other night to dinner, and it was just a vibe, okay? I put some heels on with it. I threw it with my Louis bag, and baby, called it a day. Well, first of all, look at the butt. Look at the butt and the, look at the butt. Okay, but anyway, so yes, I love this. Kind of looks like a jumpsuit, very, very seamless, but it is a two-piece set. So the top is a bodysuit, so you can definitely switch it out, wear it with any other bottoms if you want to. And the same goes with the pants here. It gives you that like kind of lounge wear material. It's ribbed, but it's also very, very stretchy. I staked my size in here, and I think I could have went down a size, but I like the way it fits me here. So if I step all the way back, you can definitely see that it comes all the way down, and I am standing on my tiptoes. I don't have a bra on with this, and the bodysuit is like really snatching and letting your girl sit up. I think they had another color, okay? I can't remember, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and order the other colors before I put this video out, okay? Y'all not about to take it from me. Y'all ain't about to take that from me. All right, you guys, so here's the next set, and oh my God, like, I am never disappointed with anything that I get from Jluxlabel. Like, it's super crazy. So here's this little set. Again, Screaming Vacation. I actually got this set in 2 other colors. I'm gonna pop them up on the screen as well with me trying it on. You're gonna also see me style the top different ways, so you can see how versatile this set is. I have a set similar to this. I don't know if y'all know or y'all be keeping up my videos or not, but I have like 2 other sets like this from Jluxlabel, except for it has a long sleeve, but the pants are exactly the same. I always style these pants up. I throw on different like blouses and bodysuits and stuff with this, and it's always a look. So anyway, this is how the set looks. It comes with these high-waisted pants. These pants are very, 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 very flowy, comfortable, lightweight, just everything. So you can definitely wear this in the spring and summer. It comes with this little top here that you can tie. Again, you can tie this different ways, and it's gonna give you a look. I love this color on my skin, but yeah, this is everything. Guys, so here's the next set, and we're kind of moving into like a loungewear, you know, type of section. When I seen this, it was like similar to the Skims. I had already purchased Skims, so I was like, let me try this out, let me see how the quality is and things like that. So this is the set that I got. I actually have so many other sets to show you like this. I think I got this in maybe like 2 or 3 other colors, and then I also got the ones that are long sleeves and leggings with it. But I decided to go ahead and try this out. You guys know I stay at home a lot. I work from home, so I love to be like really, really comfortable. And these little sets like just feels like there's nothing on. So I'm gonna compare it to the Skims. Stay tuned. Next week I'm going to be dropping a Skims haul. I'm waiting on like 2 other packages from them. I really like this set here. It really feels like you have nothing on, which is like a plus for me because again, I want to be very flexible and I want to be able to move and not be feeling itchy, you know, with things that are like too tight, and you know, I don't want to feel constricted. So with it feeling like you have nothing on, it is going to come with, you know, a thinner material. It's not bad whatsoever. Like the quality is still there. I got this in a size medium. I could have definitely went down to a size small. I just want to show y'all, it is extremely stretchy. I would definitely say go down a size if you want more of that hugging, you know, snatch look. Even with this, like, you know, being a medium, you can see here that it's still very hugging on the body. There's really no like gaps or anything. It's just a really nice set. I love this set so much. One of the things that takes it up a notch for me is this band right here. This band on both the top as well as the bottoms, just instantly, regardless if it's a medium or not, it snatches you in. It also comes with a little mask here, and I'm here for the mask. And then it comes with this little drawstring right here, so you can adjust it to your face, ears, whatever. You can skip past this portion if you don't care to hear, but I just wanted to compare it to the Skims really quick. My first purchase from Skims, I ordered the rib sets and I ordered them in a size medium, and they were extremely big on me. They fit, but they wasn't fitting like that, you know. I would say that I like this, like the Jluxlabel sets, more than I like the SKIMS set. Even though I ordered it in a size medium, it still fits on me. Like you would never tell. You can never tell that it's a medium and it's like too big for me. I just kind of feel like you get more for your money at Jluxlabel. So for example, just to pull up my order and just compare as far as like the price. This whole set here was $56.99, and it also came with a mask, and the mask is not flimsy or cheap or anything. Like the mask is a really good mask, you know what I mean? As opposed to the SKIMS, the scoop neck tank, and then also the boxer, that is $66. So right off the bat, you're saving about $10. And I know $10 may not seem like a lot, but like if you get 5 sets from Jluxlabel, you're gonna save about $50. That adds up. That's really important to me. I'm here for it. So Jluxlabel, if you come out with some more sets like these, different colors, you know, even if you do like a little triangle bra like SKIMS, I'm gonna be here for it, okay? It's gonna be okay with me. All right, girls, and here is the last set. Well, I actually have one more in another color, but I'm just gonna pop it up on the screen. This is the set with the long sleeves, as you can see, and the leggings here. It's very nice quality. It's comfortable. It's in a size medium, and it's definitely fitting me the way that I wanted to. I will say again, just to kind of show you, you have a lot of space to kind of like work with. So if you wanted to, you can definitely go down a size. So yeah, this is how this look. I am so in love with it. I don't have a bra on with it right now, but it's definitely bra friendly. And like I said, I would just go down a size if you want more of that like snug fit, girl. But yes, I like this. I like this for me. It's give the booty a little pop, you know what I mean? Just a little plump, a little pop, like that. Like the girls say, I love that for me. So yeah, this is how this look. All right, Design Squad, so that completes this Jluxlabel try on haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below letting me know what was your favorite look or item from this haul. And also, like I stated, don't forget to check the description box. It will have everything that you need there. Give this video a thumbs up. Baby, please, okay? It lets me know if you like videos like this and to continue to keep giving you videos like this. And then also, your girl's trying to hit 200K by the end of this year, okay? So, you know, my Design Squad, please make this happen for me. I would love that. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing day, and I will see you in my next video.